How to use OpenAI in n8n. So in order to use your OpenAI, you first need to head over to your workflow that you have on your n8n. I have this trigger event, this node, and let's add a new one, which is our OpenAI. From in there, click onto the search and search in here for that, OpenAI. Now here we have the OpenAI, we have the chat model, and we also have the Azure one. So just choose right here which one you want to use. I'll choose right here the OpenAI. And here is some assistant actions, text actions, image action, audio actions, and the likes. So for this case, I'll head over and click onto this upload a file option. Now this will show you this option. So choosing here the credential that you want to connect it with, click on this create new credential if you don't have anything yet. Now for this, just add the API key as well as organization ID that you have gotten directly from the API platform of ChatGPT. Once you're done, head over and save these changes that you have made. Use your hero resource, operation, as well as the input that you want added. Now, once you have done that, you can proceed to execute the steps and use it directly for your actual workflow. Just head over and save the changes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.